Hi children. Okay. Today we are going to study about living and non-living things. In the last class we have learned difference between living and non-living things. And last class I have given one work. I think all are done that homework. Okay. Then today we are going to continue the class. See here. A little Saad calls out to Amina. Come Amina, let us play with my new toy. It's a tin shoulder and it can walk and talk. That toy is walk and talk. Saad, okay, see here. Saad, if your toy can talk and walk, does that mean it is a living thing? No. Living things have some special characteristics that make them different from non-living things. Okay. Living things move. Living things move. See here. The child has kicked the ball out of the door. The child is a living thing. The ball is a non-living thing. But both are moving. Ball is movable. The child moves on his own, kicks the ball. The ball moves because it has been kicked. The child made the ball move. It did not move on its own because ball is non-living thing. Ball can movable, but someone to need to kick. Living things move on their own. Non-living things do not move on their own. The dog is running to catch the ball. It is moving on its own. Okay, the dog is running to catch the ball. Is it moving on its own? No. That means the dog is a living thing. Yes. The dog is running to catch the ball. Is it moving on its own? Yes. That means the dog is a living thing. Right here. Living. Write correctly and neatly. And next, see here. The hands of the clock are also moving. Okay. But the clock has a battery. The battery makes it move. It does not move on its own. Clock does not move on its own. If you take out the battery, the clock will stop moving. This shows that the clock is a non-living thing. Clock is non-living thing. Then next, there are two flowers facing the sun. Plants are living things. All plants are, do you know? All plants are living things. They do not move like animals and us. But their leaves and flowers move. Flowers will slowly move. Move means growing in the direction of the sun. The petals of the morning glory open each morning and close as the sun sets in the evenings. Okay. The petals of the morning glory open each morning and close as the sun sets in the evenings. The leaves of touch me not. Do you see touch me not plant? Yes, the leaves of the touch me not close as soon as you touch them. Okay. Plants, animals and people are living things. Everything else is non-living. Next, how do living things move? Do you know? How do living things move? Just like us, most animals walk on their legs. Okay. Birds and bats use their wings to fly. Fish use their fins to swim. We also walk on our legs. We also use our legs on. Okay. Think and answer. Two pictures are there. Plant belongs to Adil and plant A. It is belongs to Adil. And plant B to Saurabh. Both the plants are healthy. And Adil and Saurabh take good care of their plants. Adil and Saurabh take good care of plants. But Saurabh does something extra which Adil does not. What is it? Yes. Saurabh keeps the plant at a proper place to get maximum sunlight. Saurabh keeps the plant at a proper place to get maximum sunlight. Okay. Why do animals move? The animals move in search of food, water, shelter and to protect themselves from enemies and other dangers. Sometimes they have to travel long distance. Most of them have developed special skills to suit their needs. They run, animals run, jump, crawl. Deer and cheetah, they run, deer jump, snakes crawl and birds fly. Some of them walk upside down, climb trees and even walk backwards. Okay. Next, the sailfish is the fastest fish in the, this is sailfish, fastest fish in the sea. It can reach speeds up to 110 km per hour. It can reach speeds up to 110 km per hour. The shifaka is a kind of lemur. It has very short arms. It has very short arms and very long legs. So it cannot run on all fours. It hops around instead, holding its arms out to balance. Okay. Do animals also move to exercise their bodies? Do you know? Do animals also move to exercise their bodies? Yes, animals do most of their activities physically, such as searching or hunting for food and water, for which they have to move. Thus, they exercise their bodies involuntarily. Okay. Next. Living things grow. All living things grow. In the introduction, you read that Azura. Azura means the mother bird. This is Azura. Waits for some days before she feels her baby is ready to learn how to fly. Why does Azura wait? What makes her decide that her chick is ready to learn flying? The little chick begins to grow as it hatches from its egg. It grows a little bigger and a little stronger every day. When her mother feels she is strong enough to fly, she decided to teach her flying. Okay. Next, all living things grow on their own. Okay, see here. One picture is there. How many candles are there on Sal's birthday cake? Yes, there are 8 candles on Sal's birthday cake. 8. Next, that means he is 8 years old. Okay. Last year his cake had 7 candles. Why? Because that means Saad last year 7 years old. Now he is 8 years old. Now next year his cake will have 9 candles. How much candles? Next year his cake will have how much candles? Yes. Next year his cake will have 9 candles. Because Saad is growing day by day. Saad, human beings grow day by day. Okay, next. One activity is there. Amina has to make a growth chart of a human being. Help her complete the chart. Okay, first one. In the stage of baby, use milk to drink. Okay, Amina has to make a growth chart, growth of a human being. First, she use this bottle milk. I write baby, B-A-B-Y. In the stage of baby, use milk to drink. In next stage, in the childhood, Amina she has to play with ball. Childhood. Child. First baby, next child, next then in the teenage. In the teenage, Amina use hearing the songs with the help of teenager. What is this? Teenager. Teenager. In the teenager. And next, this one. Amina use teenager, and next adults use this one. When she was adult and she was use this one, adult. Next, when she was old age and in the last old age human beings use this one to take rest, old age. Baby to child, child to teenager, teenager to adult, adult to old. Okay, next. Plants, whether they are big or small, grow from a tiny seeds. Plants grow from seeds to plants, small plants to big plants, and small trees, and then next big trees. And a balloon, a ball and a wheel grow big when air is filled in them. And when we kick the ball is move. Okay. Next, A cold gets bigger as more and more drops of water added to it. But these are non-living things. They do not grow on their own. Okay. Next, living things need food and water. Yes, all living things need food and water. All living things feel hungry and thirsty. Amina is playing in her room. Saad brings a bowl of fruit to the room. Why do you think we'll eat the fruit? Why? Yes, Amina and Saad will eat the fruit. Because they are living things. Okay. Dolls are non-living things. Amina and Saad will eat the fruit because they are living things. Only living things eat the food. Next, food gives us energy to live and grow. Okay, we eat and drink with our mouth. Birds have a beak. Birds have eat with beak. Plants do not eat food like animals and us. They make their own using sunlight, air, water and minerals from the soil. Next, some animals like the wild beast, polar beasts and saras, cranes move miles in search of food and water. And next, how do you feel if you miss one meal? How do you feel if you miss one meal? Tell me. I feel very uneasy and tired if we miss one meal. Next, how do you behave if you are hungry and mummy gets late in giving you food? I get irritated and become impatient when are hungry and mummy gets late in giving our food. I get irritated and become impatient. And think and see here. Think and answer. Why do people walk for miles to get potable water? Yes, when sources of water are not available in nearby places, people have to walk for miles to get potable water. The school van, next see here, one picture is there. The school van is going to petrol station. There is a queue. Children are getting impatient. Okay, they have lost their patience because they are wanted to go picnic as soon as possible, so they are discussing about each other. Why do we have to take petrol? We will reach late for the picnic. Okay. After teacher will says, calm down children. If we don't fill up the tank, we will never be able to reach the picnic spot at all. Now we will be just a few minutes late. All vehicles need fuel, petrol, diesel or gas. Without it they cannot move. Fuel gives them the energy to move. Are vehicles living or non-living things? Non-living? Vehicles are non-living things. Why? As they cannot move on their own, they need energy to run engines and move from one place to another. Also, Unlike living things, they do not grow nor need food and water. Okay, next. Living things breathe. Living things breathe. Living things breathe. See here. Saad had sports day in school and he was very tired. He wanted to sleep early, but Amina wanted to read. Light was distributing Saad, so he covered his face with a bed sheet and went off to sleep. Mummy came in the half an hour later to see why. The light in the room was still on. Seeing Saad sleeping with his face covered, she woke him up and told him never to do that. It is not good for health. Why do you think mother said this? Why do you think mother said this? Yes, we breathe through our nose, but if the face is covered, we cannot get fresh air. This is harmful for us. So mother said this. Okay, children, I think all are able to. Living things breathe. Living things need food and water. Living things grow. Living things and living things move. Okay, children. Next we will continue next period. Take care. Bye.